Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Ikmal bin Nazrun and student number A23A1572, and my topic I want to present is about Henry Fayol. It's about abstract for my assignment. So abstract for this assignment is analysis theory from Henry Fayol about management. Additionally, from this analysis, we all know viewpoint about the approach into the content, advantages and disadvantages management theory from Henry Fayol and related example. Next is introduction. Julius Henry Fayol was born in Galata, Ottoman Empire, and raised in France. After graduating from the mining academy, he worked as a mining engineer for the Burgers Ramberg, eventually becoming a managing director in 1888 and saving the company from bankrupt. By 19th, under a Fayol management, the firm became one of the large producers of iron and steel in France and regarded as a vital national industry. Right. Next, the purpose of this report is to analysis theory from Henry Fayol about the management. Additionally, from the analysis, we will know viewpoint about the approach into the content, advantages and disadvantages management and theory from the Henry Fayol and related example. We go to the next point, explanation theory from Henry Fayol. The management theory of the Henry Fayol include the three main theories. The first one, the 6 industry activities. The second one, the 5 function of management, and the third one, the 15 principle of the management. So we go to the second point, the 6 industry activity from the Henry Fayol. Right. The first one from the 6 industry activity from theory Henry Fayol is a technical, including production, manufacturing and adaptation, and the next is commercial, including a market, contract, buying, selling and exchange. Next, the financial, involving the search for the optimum use of capital. Next is security, involving involving the protection of the people and property. Next, accounting, stock taking, the balance sheet, cost and the statistic. Next, the last one, and managerial, including planning, organizing, command, coordination and control. Alright. The next is 5 function of management. Within a managerial activities, Henry Fayol specific the 5 primary function or element. These function are for so the number 1 is a planning, the second organizing, third a command, a fourth a coordination, and the last one is a control. Fayol said planning also labeled as a plan of action is one of the most difficult and important matter of the every business and bring into a play all department and all function, especially management. He state the planning is comprised as a 4 component. So the number 1 is the desired result, the second the action, and the third the stage, and the last one is the method. Alright, the organizing involves the providing everything that is necessary to a plan of action, including physical and human resources. Next, the common is described as a getting the optimum return from the employee of a manager until the interest of the world concerned. This include having a competent personnel, knowing personnel truly, knowing organization obligation to its personnel, and the last one, working with the other manager to ensure unity of direction and effort among manager and personnel. Setting a good example, performing regular audit performance, and staying out of the minute. Next is coordination, require ensuring that all personnel understand their responsibility and resource and activities across the organization work in harmony in order to archive archive the desired goal. And finally, a control consists of verify whether everything occur in conformity with the plan, adopt the instruction issue and the principle established. Combined Fayol five function of management mark at the subchannel developed in the field of the management theory is credited with the original planning, organizing, leading, controlling of framework and remain a major management framework worldwide. Right, next we will see a more detailed related example from Henry Fayol theory. Right, the first one is motivate employee with a compensation. The second, recruit employee into a team, and the third one is clearly organized leadership. Next is employee stress. While Henry Fayol primary focus was on a general principle of management rather than specific aspect like employee stress, some of his principles indirectly relate to aspect of employee well-being and stress management. Fayol principle, when applied truthfully, can contribute to creating a work environment that minimize stress and promotes employees satisfaction. Next is about employee stress. While Henry Fayol primary focus was on a general principle of management rather than a specific aspect like employee stress, some of the principles indirectly related to aspect of employee well-being and stress management. Fayol principle, when applied truthfully, can contribute to creating a work environment that minimize stress and promote employee satisfaction. Here are some aspects of Fayol principle that can be connected to the employee stress. Alright, so the number one is remuneration of the personnel. Fayol emphasize fair compensation, inadequate compensation on or unfair payment practice can be a source of stress for employee. A well-designed remuneration system that align with the value of the work can contribute to employee satisfaction and reduce financial stress. Second, a unity of direction. This principle suggests that organization should have a single plan of action, clear communication of organizing of goal and direction can reduce and uncertainty, contributing to a lower stress level among the employee. Next is discipline. Fayol emphasizes the importance of discipline in a workplace. Why? They include why the include adherence of to rules is also involve fair and consistent enforcement. A lack of discipline or inconsistent application of rules can lead to stress among the employee. So the last is order. Fire principle of order involve having a place for everything and everything in its place. This can extend to organize structure and clarity in job roles, reducing confusion and stress caused by the unclear expectation. So next is the advantages and disadvantages of Henry Fayol theory. Alright, the advantages from Henry Fayol theory is the first one, increase productivity, and the second is reduce turnover rate. Alright, the next is disadvantages of Henry Fayol theory. The first one is subjugation of employee. The last one is overemphasis of efficiency. The conclusion. Henry Fayol was raised in industries in France, and under the Fayol management, the firm became one of the large producers of iron and steel in France and regret as a vital national industry. The management theory of Henry Fayol include the three main theories: the six essential activities, the five functions of management, and the 15 principal management. As such, we can draw a conclusion. Henry Fayol give a lot of benefit to organize in management.